Hello and namaste everyone, this is me Monica and today I'm back with a new video about adding Messenger to your website. Yes, of course, you can easily add the Messenger to your website. It isn't a tough process, so let us go through it. First of all, log into your website page in the Facebook. So this is the website page of WP Hope and I'm already logged into it. So then when you will scroll over here, you can find the setting option. So click on it. So when it is open, then you can see here the option messaging. So I'll again click on it. So when you will see here, scroll down and here in the below you can see add messenger to your website. So we want to add, so let's get this started. Page is open. So let's again click on the next. Then here it is given set up your chat plugin. So next we wish to set. So get conversation started. Again next. There's some process or we can say there are some steps that we have to fulfill. So click on next and click on done. Chat plugin option has been available over here. So let's click on setup so that we can set it. And the first process, it is a setting language. So we are preferring English, so let it be. Save and continue. And this is the, we can say it is a domain name of our website. It is already mentioned, so we can have it. Save and continue. And the third step is, here is some HTML codes are over here, which it requires, or we have to copy and paste this code to our website. So let's copy this code. And it is copied, and now click on next and let us finish this process. And now your chat plugin is ready. Similarly, you can see here the option for chat conversation, customize your chat plugin. When you will click over the chat conversation, then you can see here further more options are available. Like this is a welcome message where it is given that hello and thanks for getting in touch with us. What can we help with today? Or you can just write any kinds of message that you want to initially show to your visitor when they will first log into your message. Or we can write, so I'm displaying this message just at the beginning of when the messenger will open. And similarly, you can see, here you can write some of the frequently asked questions, like it is something like when the visitor will ask you some questions, then what type of responses you want to show to your visitors. So you can add some questions over here. Right now I'm not adding because our website is related to several topics. So it can be added to the websites where it's just like where the shopping, online shopping can be done. Like there they have certain objects or certain demands for certain stocks of something. So they can ask the questions related to that one. But right now I'm not adding them. So from here you can customize your chat plugins too, like you can change your colors and alignments from here. So let us see here, choose a presets option that complements your brand, and I think this is a color. So you can see or change the color of your message which you want to wish, what type of color you want to show in your message. So let me choose it and now I want to publish it. And now you can see your changes have been published. Okay, then now we have to open the dashboard of your website so that the copy code can be pasted over there and we can easily add the messenger to our website. So now let's go for dashboard. Now here I'm logged into my dashboard, and so you can see here the option of appearance. So again, inside the appearance you can see the option of customize. So get inside the customize. Now your customizing page opens and then you can see here the option for widgets. Click on it, and this is for the footer bar and this is for the top bar. So now we are going to add that messenger over the footer one. So let's go for the footer bar option and let's click on got it. And then here you can see the option of add blocks. Click on it and so now type here HTML because we want to paste that HTML codes that we have copied there. So click on this custom HTML And now here you have to paste the code that we have copied there. So now let us paste it, and these codes are pasted over here, and without doing anything else, just click on publish button. And now wait for a while so that you can see the appearance of that message option over your footer. Now it is published. Now let's just refresh it. And here now you can see the option of messenger has come. So let us click on it, and now you can communicate as a guest. And similarly, you can also see the greeting option that we have initially added over there, which will come just at the beginning. And now you can inquire your questions and anything, so that we can give you help and assist in through this messenger. So now you can easily add this messenger in your website, and hope now you have learned it. And also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the update about such further more videos related to these website designings and website tutorials, and hoping for further more likes and comments and increasing our subscriber. Thank you so much and have a good day.